Replacement inner blades and outer foil set compatible with Panasonic ARC3 shavers, SLL41K, ES8103S. Replace blades and foils for an optimal shaving performance. Over time, foils on your Panasonic shaver will wear too thin and blades will become dulled and pitted. Replacing blades and foil once every 1 to 2 years ensures a smooth, comfortable shave. Outer foil system for an efficient shave. Micro-thin foils use unique shaving elements that work in tandem to cut through hair with ease. Designed with micro-thin, arched hypoallergenic stainless steel to prevent skin irritation and maximize comfort. High-quality inner blades, forged from premium Japanese stainless steel and precision honed to an ultra-sharp 30-degree cutting edge to cut hair cleanly at the base. Installs in seconds. Blades and foils are designed to custom fit your Panasonic shaver model. Simply remove the worn blade and foils and snap the new ones into place. Replace with true Panasonic parts. It is recommended that you replace the outer foil at least every year to maintain your shaver's cutting performance. Made in Japan. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Just remember to oil them a bit before using. My Panasonic razor is over 10 years old. These are great replacement. Just remember to use a few drops of razor oil on them when using them the first few times, otherwise they may damage your face a bit. I will buy these again.